This lesson is for NLC Math, Lesson 8, Solving Problems Involving Linear Equations and Inequalities in One Variable. Let's start from a review. Answer the questions below with your partner. You can pause the video and then answer the given questions. How old in years is a person 5 years younger than a person of age Y years? Answer, Y minus 5. Why y minus 5? So it is here 5 years younger. Younger, it means minus. Y minus 5. For 2i, 3 years more than twice as old as a person age m years. So the variable represented by m, or the age represented as m. So 3 years more than twice. So you have the clue words here, more than, and then twice. Let's answer. 2m plus 3. So plus for the word more than, and then 2 for the word twice. So 2m plus 3. Number 2, the smallest of 3 consecutive even numbers is x. Write down the other 2 numbers in terms of x. So we have the information here, 3 consecutive, okay, consecutive even, then the numbers represented by x. Okay, so it is said here, write down the other 2 numbers in terms of x. So consider the word consecutive even number in this representation. So let's find out what is the answer. Number 3, Brian is 5 years less than twice his brother Steve's age. The sum of their ages is between 28 and 48. So there's the word between 28 and 40. And then we have 5 years less than twice. So less than, then the word twice. So if Steve's age is X, what inequality would represent this information? Okay, so Steve's age is X. And then it is said Brian is 5 years less than twice his brother Steve. So X and then 2X minus 5. 2X for the word twice, then less than minus 5. Okay, and then it's between 28 and 40. Or you can simplify x plus 2x. So we have 3x and then minus 5. And then it's between 28 and 40. I hope you get all the correct answers. Let's proceed to language practice. Complete me. You are going to complete the following words. So we have the clue. Number 1 means following continuously. It means consecutive. Next is an equation for a straight line. The answer is linear equation. Number 3, means to find the solution to a problem. What is the word? Answer is solve. Next, it states that one value is lesser than. The answer is less than. Number 5, means that the variable or number is more than the given limit. The answer is greater than. Okay, I hope you get all the correct answer. Let's proceed to STEM for items 1 and 2. Jane loves solving mathematics problem and is attending a family reunion. She meets her Aunt Liz and her 3 sons for the first time. Jane discovers that her 3 cousins also love mathematics problems. The boys say that their ages are consecutive odd numbers that total 45 years. Their sister Amber is 31 years younger than Aunt Liz, and that in 7 years' time, Aunt Liz will be 1 year more than 3 times older than Amber. Jane says that her father is 9 years older than her mother and that their ages total 85 years. Her older sister, Marilyn, is 3 years less than twice Jane's age, and that the sum of their ages is greater than 33 but less than 42. You can pause the video to answer the following questions. Question 1. Write down the three boys' ages if X is taken to be the youngest boy's age. So remember, their ages are consecutive odd numbers that total 45 years. So we have the answer X, X plus 2, X plus 4. So this is also the representation of the word consecutive odd. So first number is X, second number is X plus 2, third number is X plus 4. Question number 2. Set up and solve an equation to find the ages of the three boys. Okay, using the equation a while ago, X plus the quantity of X plus 2 plus the quantity of X plus 4 equals 45. Remember, the total of their ages is 45. Here is now the solution. So 3x, why 3x? So x plus x plus x, so we have 3x, and then 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So we have 3x plus 6 is equal to 45. Next, 3x equals 45 minus 6. Okay, and then bring down 3x is equal to 39. Why 39? 45 minus 6 is equal to 39. And therefore, the value of x is 13. Okay, by 13. So it is 39 divided by 3. So x is 13. And then x plus 2 is equal to 15. Why 15? So 13 plus 2 is 15. Okay, next, x plus 4 is 17. So 13 plus 4 is 17. So these are the ages of the three boys, 13, 15, and 17. And we notice that they are consecutive odd integers. Item 1, question number 3. Their sister Amber is 31 years younger than Aunt Liz, and that in 7 years' time, Aunt Liz will be 1 year more than 3 times older than Amber. If y is taken to be Amber's age, set up and solve another equation to find her age and Aunt Liz's age. Amber's age is y, Aunt Liz is y plus 31. So y plus 31. So it is said here, Amber is 31 years younger than Aunt Liz. So therefore, we have y plus 31. So age of Amber's is y, so plus 31. Then in 7 years, their ages will be, Amber's is y plus 7 years, and then Aunt Liz will be 3 times the quantity of y plus 7 plus 1. Since it is said here, 3 times older than Amber. And Amber's age in 7 years is y plus 7. So that's why multiply 3 by y plus 7 and then plus 1. So it is said here 1 year more than 3 times older than Amber. For the equation, we have quantity of y plus 31 plus 7 is equal to 3 times the quantity of y plus 7 plus 1. Right. And then the solution, so 31 plus 7 is 38. So y plus 38 is equal to 3 times 7 is 21. Then plus 1 is 22. So that's why we have 3y plus 22. So you will use this equation to solve this problem. Okay, so 2y. Why 2y? So it is said here 3y minus y. Okay? And then 38 minus 22. So if you transfer to the left and to the right, so you will change the sign. You can use the addition property of equality. How did we get to y equals 16? So from this equation, bring down y to the left side and then addition property of equality. So plus or minus 3y. equals, bring down 22, then minus 38. So we will have y minus 3y is negative 2y equals 22 minus 38 is equal to 16. It is negative. And divide both sides by negative 2. Negative 2y divided by negative 2. On the right side, negative 16 divided by negative 2. So cancel this and then it becomes y is equal to positive 8. So that's why we have y is equal to 8. So, and this is the Amber's age. And what about Antli's age? Y 39. So, it is said here from our previous representation, y plus 31. So, y is 8 plus 31 is equal to 39. So, Antlis is 39 years old. For item 2, you can pause again the video to answer the problems. Okay, question 1. Jane says that her father is 9 years older than her mother and that their ages total 85 years. Her older sister Marilyn is 3 years less than twice Jane's age and that the sum of their ages is greater than 33 but less than 42. Write down the ages of Jane's parents if Y is taken to be her father's age. So the representation of father's age is Y. So for father's age again, it's Y. For mother's age is Y minus 9. So Y minus 9 is said 9 years older than her mother. Question number 1 to I. Set up and solve an equation to find the ages of Jane's parents. So the sum of their ages is 85. So y plus y minus 9 is equal to 85. So 2y, so y plus y is equal to 2y, then minus 9 equals 85. So 2y bring down is equal to 94. It is 94 because 85 add by 9. So it is 94. And then y 47. So it means 2y divided by 2 is equal to 94 over 2. So cancel and then y is equal to 47. For item 2, question number 2, write down Jane's and Marilyn's ages if C is taken to be Jane's age. So Jane's age represent by Z. So her older sister, Marilyn, is 3 years less than twice Jane's age, and that the sum of their ages is greater than 33 but less than 42. So again, Jane's age is C, Marilyn's age is 2Z minus 3. Why 2Z? So it is said twice Jane's age, and then minus 3 because it is 3 years less than. Next. Number 3, set up and solve an equation to find the greatest age that Jane could be. Inequality, we have z plus 2z minus 3 is between 33 and 42. Z stands for Jane's age, 2z stands for Marilyn's age. So let's find out the solution. So 3z minus 3, y 3z minus 3. So just add z and 2z. So we have 3z. Then bring down minus 3. So between 33 and 42. Okay. So how did we get 36? So this 3 minus 3 will add to 33. So that's why we have 36. Next, 42. Add 3 ulit. So we have 45. So 3z is between 36 and 45. So our goal is to find the possible values of z. So we are going to remove 3 here besides z. So what you will do is divide 36 by 3. And the right side, divide 45 by 3. So 36 divided by 3 is 12, and 45 divided by 3 is 15. Therefore, Z is between 12 and 15. So it is said here from the previous given that find the greatest age that Jane could be. So therefore, the greatest age that Jane could be is 14. Why? 14 is between 12 and 15, and it is the greatest value. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.